wanna do it?
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that.
We're not doing all that. Guys, today we are making shrimp and grits, right? Right? We're doing shrimp and grits. Now, y'all probably getting tired of shrimp, but I don't even make shrimp. No, I do make shrimp a lot. Listen, I do. I like shrimp. Who doesn't like shrimp, right? So, we're gonna make shrimp and grits. And I'm gonna make the grits a different way than I typically make them. My sister told me this way. She told me something. She said to boil the grits in chicken stock. Jelly. Don't know if you know or you are aware, but your brother of all your life don't eat meat. But we got a special ingredient. This is a not chicken bouillon cube. It's a vegan and gluten-free chicken bouillon. Tastes like chicken. I don't know how to do it. First of all, come on. You ever felt like robbing your own house? That's why I'm wearing all black. I might rob this shit, alright? I might get everything up out of here. Alright? But we're gonna start off by sauteing some vegetables. Alright, we're just gonna throw all the veggies in there, right? The veggies in there. Alright, so what you wanna do, so we have our vegetables in here. We wanna basically let this get to a point to where it's all, you know, softer, not crunchy, more like caramelized. Not really, but you know. And in situations when you want to get that fix, you know what to add. Gotta add a good friend, veggie stock. Get it in there. Get it in there. Right? Let this, you know, soften it up faster and stuff like that. So you got that. Boom! Y'all ain't know what happened just then, but my button popped on. Hey, it's time to eat. The button popped on the pins. So what I'm gonna do is add some pepper. Everybody loves pepper. Right? We all love pepper, right? Pepper going on almost everything. Some salt, just a little bit of salt. Pink salt. All right. Put your veggies in there. All right. So what we want to do is add put a tablespoon inside this house. Let this cook down. Usually, if you don't have no tomato paste, you can substitute. But you gotta make sure you have your vegetable stock or whatever type of stock you like. You know, I'm a non-meat eater, so I gotta have my veggie stock. But if you got some onions in your crib, you got some garlic, which you should always have. Although I didn't have onions, I stole one from my brother. Yeah, get your garlic. Put your garlic in here. Next, because we love garlic too. Garlic sets everything off. What Master P said? What he said? I need you to play the video too. You gotta play with it.
I used to go the 9 and 9. Now I'm going delicious.
Like that. That's what this is gonna taste like. So we want to add next to our Creole sauce, right? Some Tony's. Put your Tony's in here. This is some hot Tony's, right? Since I'm making it like shrimp and grits, I gotta make sure I want it to have like a seafoody taste. And Old Bay always gives me that extra seafoody taste. Ba-boom! Get that little bit. Get that in there. So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Let's just get all the flavors get incorporated. Then we're gonna start putting our shrimp in and letting our shrimp cook in the sauce. Alright, so what we wanna do next is start layering our shrimp inside of this house. We wanna let this cook in the sauce, right? Put that in the sauce. Put a little more pepper on top. And they are deveined, so you ain't gotta worry about that. I make sure I devein them and take the shells off every time. Add some Old Bay on top of the shrimp. Get it in there. As well as your Cajun seasoning. Cajun-y. But we gotta taste the sauce. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Got a little pepper in there, a little jalapeno. Whoa. That's really good. But I'm gonna put a little bit more stock in here. And then I'm gonna turn the fire back on. It's gonna get thick off of it, but I want it to thin out a little bit. Alright, so Free, my boy Friggy, yo, Friggy. Look, I found this at my supermarket. Right? You said I gotta try Earn Brew. Hey man, cut me some slack. Let me get the food package for 50,000 frozen points, fridge points, whatever it's called. That's my boy, he a streamer, right? Friggy is Frij. I'll put it, we'll correct it. You spell your name weird, dude. I'm gonna get it right. But look, we'll taste this. While we wait for this to boil, because water takes forever to boil. Especially this amount of water that we have in this pot. When it's hot. It's actually boiling now, we gotta hurry up. But, let's see. This better be good. Carbonated flavored soft drink. The flavors of Scottish people. That's what he get.
Okay, I might not like it.
I might not like it either. Is this gonna get me a kilt? I don't know. Free kilts on me. Go ahead, taste it. Go ahead, taste it first.
It's kind of bland, actually. I mean, it's kind of sweet, but it's kind of bland at the same time.
You know what this tastes like? This tastes like
Flavored water.
tastes like flavored water, right? But it tastes like a cola champagne. For my tropical fantasy drinkers, y'all know what I'm talking about. My New Yorkers, y'all know Sperm Killer 3000 for men.
Tastes like spicy water.
Yeah, spicy water. This guy. I don't know. You have to keep this out of my package. Actually, send it just so I can keep it. All in all, it's not bad. Out of 5 kilts, I get at a 2.7. 2.7 out of 5 kilts. Okay. All right, but for now, we're gonna add in our cup of grits, right? Got a cup of grits in there. I'm gonna just start. Alright. That's 4 cups of water, by the way. 4 cups of water, 1 chicken bouillon cube, and not chicken bouillon cube, and a cup of grits. Alright. Stir this up. Whoa. That's the one thing about grits. This shit start getting too crazy. Like, relax on me, dog. There's some butter in there so we can have it buttery. And this is about a tablespoon of butter. Ah! Shit! Alright, so what I'm gonna add is about like a quarter of a cup. Not so much Krabby Kreme now. Right there is probably fine. Alright? The next thing I'm gonna add after that, my cheech. Get your cheech in there. Woo! That is about, I don't know, that's cheech. Get your cheese in there. Add your cheese to your heart's content. Go cheesy. If you feel like you don't have enough cheese in there, get more cheese in there. Alright? Obviously, I didn't have enough cheech. More cheech. Alright? Cheech! Alright? I'm gonna add a little pepper. Alright, some pepper in there. Some salt. And a little bit of tongues. That's a little bit. Alright? That's our grits. It's already good. I just want to add a little extra to it. Very simple dish. I mean, it did take longer than it should have. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you. I really appreciate you. But all in all, simple dish. You can knock this out really quick. All right. Now, I don't know, Jelly, if it's good what you suggested, but I'm willing to try to see what's up. Let's see. Start with the shrimp. No brainer. I always kill that. Now let's try the grits with with my Creole sauce. I wish you could taste the Creole sauce that I made because it's really good. Let's see. Let's see if my sister did it. Okay, Jelly. Alright. You did that. Okay. I'll listen to your tips from now on, okay? But guys, with that being said, thank you guys again. I hope you guys are liking the videos. Like I said, still to this point. I'm glad you guys are watching them. Sharing them if you are. I don't know if you're sharing them. You're probably not sharing them because you fuck with me, but not enough to share me. Share me. But thank you guys. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? It's simple. Catch you guys in the next one. This shit good.
Alright, I'm gonna start recording. Tell me how you really feel.
This shit good.
Can't be honest. I know it ain't as good as you be thinking.
Nah, I really fuck with it. Like, I'm about to call my brother, but I don't know if I'm going. I want to share, but I don't want to. But I got 8 brothers and sisters, so I want to share because it's my nature. But he good. He got pizza.